This is a short presentation on unsupported OS. This will help your business do more with less, with clear visibility. It will reduce risk, complexity, and reduce costs by at least 10% within your business. Beginning with what unsupported OS is, why this process is used, and how it works. What? The unsupported OS Actionalytic identifies and manages devices in organizations running operating systems, OS, no longer supported by vendor. Why? The unsupported OS Actionalytic ensures a secure and up-to-date IT environment by identifying and addressing devices running unsupported OS, mitigating potential vulnerabilities, and ensuring compliance. How? The unsupported OS Actionalytic functions by collecting operating system data from linked sources in clear visibility and employing AI to compare this information against the vendor's supported OS list, identifying devices running unsupported operating systems. Benefits of unsupported OS Actionalytic process. Unsupported OS Actionalytic proactively identifies devices running unsupported operating systems. Security enhancement. Identifying and addressing devices running unsupported operating systems enhances overall system security by ensuring that devices receive necessary updates and patches to protect against vulnerabilities. Operational efficiency. By flagging devices with unsupported OS, the organization can proactively plan and execute necessary upgrades, avoiding potential disruptions, compatibility issues, and associated downtime. This contributes to streamlined operations and better IT management. The unsupported OS Actionalytic process works. Data gathering. Collects information from linked sources in clear visibility. AI comparison. Utilizes artificial intelligence to compare gathered OS data with vendor-supported OS versions. Identification. Identifies devices running unsupported operating systems. Alert generation. Generates alerts or reports highlighting devices that require OS upgrades or maintenance. There are several business engagement activities that should be actioned before activating. There is a number of steps which should be done for each Actionalytic listed at the start of this book. However, there are specific ones for the unsupported OS Actionalytic. Outreach to IT teams. Engage IT teams to ensure cooperation and understanding of the purpose and impact. Communication plan. Develop a communication plan to inform end users about the upcoming analysis and its implications. Stakeholder alignment. Ensure alignment with key stakeholders to gather necessary support and resources. Data source validation. Verify the accuracy and completeness of data sources such as AD, SCCM, and CV to guarantee reliable analysis results. The following steps are required for the unsupported OS technical setup. Data source integration. Connect clear visibility to various sources, AD and SCCM, for OS data. AI model configuration. Set up and configure the AI model for OS support analysis. Schedule data updates. Establish a regular schedule for updating OS data from connected source. User training. Train IT teams on interpreting and acting upon the results. Monitoring and maintenance. Implement tools for ongoing monitoring and maintenance of the Actionalytic. The following administration tasks are automatically generated while running the Actionalytic. Run AI analysis. These are automatically generated weekly. Execute the AI model to analyze OS support status. Review results. These are automatically generated monthly. Examine the generated reports and insights. Address unsupported OS as needed. Develop and implement strategies for unsupported OS. User communication as needed. Communicate with end users about support changes. Monitor data sources ongoing. Ensure continuous data flow from connected sources. Troubleshoot issues as needed. Resolve any technical issues or discrepancies. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions or want to know more, please feel free to contact me.